Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type recorder. Then download one of those apps, I will go with that one, and open it. After that, select Allow and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the smaller one, and if you want to end your recording, click on the big one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping delete on the delete icon at the top right corner over here and selecting delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!